rolling. Alright, we've got a new package. You know, so as you may have probably seen with Malosi, they've just released mission brief with the season. I don't know. I'm having Dory brain. They've sent a package which I'm excited about. You know, we'll open it. What if I open it with my katana? Maybe something new. Something new. Oh, it's not even sharp, bro. It's blunt. Alright, never mind. Cover my address and I don't want to get visits from, visited by someone there. And here's a Malosi. Oh, give it to me, bro. Ready? You mission brief. Classified. Authorized personnel only. Mission brief. Winter missions 2026. Light Tackle Division. You have been set. Let me repeat that again. Classified. Authorized personnel only. Okay. Mission brief. Winter missions 2026 Light Tackle Division. You have been selected for winter field operations. On 8 confirmed targets active in Australian waters between June and August. Your objective: confirm 5+ targets via documented catch. Use what you've been given. Can I show you? Can I show you guys? You know what? Here you go. Read it. Pause it. I don't care how you do it. There you go. Done. Ooh. I reckon I'm only gonna be able to catch 3 of them. You know, if you know me, you'll know. Which are the 3 that I'll be able to catch? The only 3 species. Put it down in the comments. This is tough. Dude, there's a lot in there. Oh. Challenge accepted. What is this? Field reward protocol. Ooh. Confirm all 8 targets. I reckon I'm only gonna be able to catch 3 of them. Classified access granted. Complete the full manifest. Will receive exclusive access to test the blank product range. That is interesting. I want to find out. Anyways, mission brief. Alright, what have we got? This is the Atom 60p in Lotus color. 7.5 grams, I believe. I actually love throwing small stuff, eh? This is the Minion 65F, 5 grams in Mamba color. Have I caught any fish in Mamba? And what have we got? Oh, this is my new favorite stuff. We got the new size micros, which is the Micro Echo. We got this Echo 95F, 13.5 grams in Nuke. And we got a staple rogue and 100 sinking stick bait, 35 grams. And bro, I forgot the color. What is this color? Bro, I legit forgot. What the hell? Fusi! I'm so bad at this. Yo. Okay. Anyways, yeah, this is a rogue. As you can tell, it's not my thing. I just let the footage roll, let the authentic, natural, organic video set itself. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, whatever. Let's move on. Alright, next one. The Staple Hero 100F. I believe a lot of you love this size. It is perfect for flathead. My mate John, I've got one. Honestly, I'm... Oh. Wait, let me think. Blaze! Is it? Wait, is it Blaze? Yeah! Let's go! So bad. I'm so bad. There you go. Yeah, have fun. Have fun. Anyways, ooh, Marksman, 10 grams. I love this color, man. This caught me my first Australian surf salmon. I think this is the color. I believe this is the color. I need a bigger presentation. Marksman, 40 grams. First cast of 40 grams. Find them. That's it. That's it. Perfect. Yes! Double hook up. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Bro, give me 5. Let's go. Those two, that's nice. And I've got another 2 different colors of 10 grams Marksmans. Oh god, what's the color? I forgot the color. Oh god. Yes, Shimmer. Okay, look at it, how it shimmers. That's the Shimmer, and this is the original chrome. They're all 10 grams. Perfect for the light tackle sessions. Alright, perfect. Now, stickers. The OG Malosi circle. Another Malosi in there. And the new sticker for the winter missions. And let me put my finger in there so nobody like take a screenshot and then reprint it themselves. I don't know what you guys are doing. So. That is it. Very exciting. Anyways, I'm very grateful to be part of this mission. It's such a blessing. I can't thank them enough. Something that I would never take for granted. It's just more to it, man. It's just more to it. It's just I can't explain it how grateful I am. There's more to it. So, no, boys, thank you for this. This is amazing. You best believe I will be throwing this. At the moment down here in SA, it is pretty terrible weather. So no, it's bad. It's bad. And with the species, obviously these two are out of it. They're gone. We can't catch them in here. If you live in South Australia, you would be most likely to get struck by a bolt of lightning than to catch these. And this is the ghost. You will never find them. You either catch them by luck or after huge amount of time invested into it. I have huge respect for motorway fishermen. So you guessed for the rest which ones I'm gonna catch. So yep, thank you for Malosi. You guys have made such an impact to me in my fishing. John, Nico, I appreciate it. I really do. I can't thank you guys enough, especially Chris. Man, you are amazing, man. This is crazy how you organize stuff, how you organize us, how you talk to us, man. This is, yeah. Thank you very much. See you guys next time. Peace out. You. I reckon I'm only gonna be able to catch 3 of them.